Hallo allemaal! Want to sound polite in Dutch? In this lesson we'll cover the essential phrases for expressing gratitude, like dankjewel, that means thank you, dank u, formal for thank you, and how to say please. We'll also break down formal versus informal ways to be polite, plus give your real-life examples so you know exactly when to use each phrase. And of course, there's a short quiz at the end to test your knowledge, so let's get started. So this chapter is called Expressing Gratitude and Politeness in Dutch. Sounds more difficult than it is. It's just about saying please and thank you, right? So let's go and look at that. So the first one in Dutch, if you want to thank someone and you want to say thank you, you can say dank je, dank je, dank je. So for example, dank je, thank you, dank je. Then we have a similar expression, and there's only one extra word added to it, so it also means thank you, but you can say dankjewel. It's a little bit even more than the one you said before. The extra word makes it even a little bit more polite, more like appreciative. Dankjewel. So you can say dankjewel, dankjewel. For example, in a sentence, dank je wel voor je hulp. And that means thank you for your help. Dank je wel voor je hulp. Dank je wel voor je hulp. Exactly. Then we can also sometimes thank someone, and it has to be formal. In this course, I explain you the difference between the different you's that we have. So in Dutch, we have a you that is je or jij, or we have a you that is u. And the u is the formal version, right? So go look in that module and then you will know. So you can also say, instead of dank je, you can say dank u. Dank u. Dank u. So you do that, for example, at work, or if you deal with government officials or people that are older than you, that kind of things, right? So for example, in a sentence, dank u voor uw hulp. Thank you for your help. Dank u voor uw hulp. Dank u voor uw hulp. Yes, that is dank u. Then we go to the next one, and now you are giving somebody to something. For example, like in English, you could say, here you are. And then in Dutch, you can say, alsjeblieft, alsjeblieft, alsjeblieft. So for example, alsjeblieft een kopje thee. Here you go, a cup of tea. So this would be the normal, informal way of saying it, right? Alsjeblieft een kopje thee. So you can also say this in a formal way. And then you say also here you are, but then it's alstublieft, right? So alsjeblieft for people you know well, alstublieft for people you don't know well or customers. Alstublieft, alstublieft. So for example, alstublieft, de rekening, here you go, the bill. So imagine you work in hospitality, you bring somebody the bill, you say alstublieft, de rekening. Yes, that's how it works. So these are the most important things to say please and thank you. So we're going to recap that. Let's summarize. Dank je is thank you. Dankjewel, dankjewel, also thank you. Dank u, thank you, formal. Alsjeblieft, alsjeblieft, here you are. Alstublieft, alstublieft, here you are, formal. Great, those were very important ways of please and thank you. I'm going to do a short quiz with you. So first we do the flashcard. So dank je, what does that mean? If somebody says that to you, or you want to express gratitude to someone, you can say dank je, and that means yes, thank you, right? Thank you, dank je. Then we have the next one. So this is a longer word. It starts with an A, and that is if you offer something to someone and you know the person relatively well. So here you are, and then to a not a formal person, so an informal situation, you can say, of course, alsjeblieft, alsjeblieft, here you are, alsjeblieft. So I'm handing you something, I'm handing you a coffee or a pen or a phone or whatever. Say alsjeblieft, here you are. And then if you want to say thank you
in Dutch, so that the English is thank you and you want to be formal, then how can you do that? You can say A, dankjewel, B, dank je, or C, dank u. Remember what I told you about the difference between je and u? They're both you, but one is formal, and the right answer is of course dank u. Yes, dank u. Dank u is formal.
Geweldig gedaan! Good job! You've just taken another step with improving your Dutch. What did you find most helpful? Drop it in the comments below if you want. And if you want to learn even more Dutch, check out my online Dutch courses for step-by-step lessons, and you can find the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a new lesson. So see you in the next video.